Assalamu alaikum, my fellow hijabi adventurers. Are you ready to see the latest addition to my outdoor gear collection? I recently made a trip to Mountain Warehouse here in Auckland and picked up some amazing pieces that I can't wait to share with you. Without further ado, let's get started.
Salam, I'm Veronika Edali. I'm a river to Islam, a founder of a modest activewear brand, a content creator, a wife, and a mum. I share my life and business journey as a Muslim woman living in New Zealand. My mission is simple: help Muslim women to embrace modesty and hijab while following their true passion. I create content to boost self-confidence, mindset, and lift your spirit so you can successfully balance faith, career, and motherhood. Subscribe for inspiration, motivation, and lots of laughter, all from a Muslim woman's perspective.
Item number 1. Ta-da! It's a fanny pack, a bum bag, and this bum bag is definitely superior to all the other bum bags out there. I've actually never seen a bum bag this big. It has 2 bottle holders. It has a little cord here that you can use to strap things into, or you can even take it out and use it if you need it. There is a pocket right here, and then there is the main compartment that is very, very large. I absolutely love it. You can hold it here. You can strap it around your waist. The buckle is very solid and it's adjustable, so I can wear it, my husband can wear it, we can take turns, because to be honest, both of us absolutely love it. I love bum bags. I find bum bags to be very convenient when I'm hiking. I usually hike with a huge backpack with my kid inside of that backpack. That child carrier backpack is very long, and I usually have a strap around my hips. It's very hard for me to go into my pockets and take things out, so I prefer wearing bum bags. I have one that is very old. I don't even know how it got into my possession. I think I purchased it secondhand at a farmer's market like years ago, and I've been using it, but I thought it will be great to have a bum bag that's a little bit bigger so I can easily access some snacks. Like, for example, I'd put like my kids' water bottle in here, and I will put some snacks for them, and I will use the front compartment for my phone so I can easily take it in and out, so I can film on the go, and I can have things that my kid likes, like some crackers, a yogurt pouch, so I don't have to ask my husband to take it out from the back of my backpack. Anyways, this is so good. I'm so excited to try it out on a hike. I'm obsessed with it. And I bought it on a huge discount. It was only $19.99, so 20 New Zealand dollars for a backpack this good. Moving on. I got 2 pairs of kitty size merino wool socks in blue. They had the girly version, but somehow, like everything else, I don't know, is it a pink tax? But boy stuff is cheaper. And because I am like size 5'6", I have tiny feet, I can get away with wearing kid size shoes, kid size socks, because they're usually much cheaper. So the women's version was a lot more expensive, and I would probably pay as much as I paid for 2 pairs for only 1 pair of proper women's socks. But merino wool socks are amazing. I only have 1 pair, but since I'm hiking now all of the time, I need more. Sometimes I hike 2 days in a row, so I need more pairs. So I'm really, really excited to have these in my possession. To be honest, blue is my favorite color anyway. And I'm excited to wear them on my hikes. Merino wool is naturally breathable and naturally antibacterial, so these are going to be very well used, and I'm really, really excited to have more merino wool socks. And I picked up Merino wool socks for my husband as well. These ones were also on a discount. They were half price with any purchase. So instead of it being $29.99, we purchased it for $15 because we purchased other stuff, and this deal is just amazing. My husband doesn't have tiny feet, so he has to wear full-grown men's socks. But this was a great deal. I'm glad we scored it. He also likes wearing longer socks when he's hiking. So these ones come mid-calf. So really, really good deal. He was very excited about these. Moving on. I got 2 pairs of Aqua Shoes for my kids. These red ones are for my 1.5-year-old. The blue ones are for my 3-year-old. These are a must. We go on a lot of beaches, and a lot of those beaches have oyster shells, mussel shells, rocks, and we really needed them because they just love exploring the nature. And what prompted me to get those is the fact that my oldest son, last week he was playing at the beach and he stepped on an oyster shell and his poor little foot got a little bit infected. So it really prompted us to get these shoes, even though I believe that it's very important for the kids to just go barefoot as much as they can. We can do that when the beach is very sandy, but if the beach is rocky and has lots of oyster shells, especially at low tide, these are going to protect his feet, and that's what's the most important thing. We want to avoid injury at all costs, so I'm really, really excited that they now have these, and that'll give me a bit of a peace of mind. They're also on a very good discount, so we paid $8.99 NZD for each pair. So all of these deals are very amazing. Moving on. We bought 2 stainless steel bottles. They're on a smaller size and they're very, very light. The good thing about these is that you can use this clip to clip it on your backpack, which I absolutely love. Quite a small size. So they're the ones, like if I grab my bum bag and I put them into here, into the bottle pocket. Because they're not very tall, as you can see, they're not very tall, they fit perfectly. They'll be very easy to get out when I'm wearing the bum bag. So yeah, just the perfect size. They're stainless steel. They won't let any sunlight in. They're black. They also have those clippy things that you can clip on your backpacks or whatever clothes. But I think it's the perfect size to put it in the bum bag. It's just very, very easy to deal with. And you know, when you're hiking, it's very important to have enough water to stay hydrated. And because we are Muslim, we always need to carry extra water in case we need to take wudu or wash up on the trail. So I always carry about 6 bottles with me, between me and my husband. So these are the right size, very easy to drain from. We can use the water bottle holders on our backpacks for the water that we need for washing up, for example, because we don't need to get it in and out all the time. The price is also very nice. It's $5.99 NZD for these awesome stainless steel bottles. We got everything on sale, so moving on. Ta-da! Stainless steel mugs. I am so excited. I'm so excited about these. Also, very good deal. They're $9.99. But when you buy one, you get one free. So they're pretty much $5 each. We bought 4 of them. We had stainless steel mugs for the longest time. They were so old. They got bent, they got damaged. The handle came off. We used them since 2017 and we took them on 2 South Island trips and camping all over New Zealand. So they've served us well, and we really needed to get new mugs. Good thing is they're stainless steel. You can put them right on the burner. These ones have a clipping attachment as well. See, you can clip it on your backpack. And we always carry a thermos with us, whether it's coffee, whether it's black tea. Well, my husband is Turkish, he loves his black tea, and I just love coffee. So we always carry our thermos, and we always need a second cup. So I'm really, really excited to have these, and they were really great deal. Very good size, not too big, not too small. And this is my favorite part. It says adventure on it, and we're all about hijabi adventures, aren't we? I have 3 adventure mugs and 1 wonder mug. You will see them a lot in my content. I absolutely love outdoor gear. I'm the kind of girl I would spend more time in a hiking and outdoorsy kind of store than I ever would in a normal Glassons. I'm not interested in that stuff. I'm not really, I have what I need. But when it comes to hiking gear and outdoorsy gear, I love it so much. It brings me so much joy shopping for these fun little bits that definitely elevate your experience and makes you feel like a proper hiker. You know, when you are dressed for success, it really translates in how you feel on your hike. It's very, very true, and it applies to everything. So when I have my gear, when I'm dressed appropriately for my hike, when I'm wearing good hiking shoes, when I have all of these hiking bits that really do make my hiking experience carrying my 15-kilo kit so much easier, because everything just works like a well-oiled machine, and I'm here for it. So there you have it. This is the latest outdoor gear haul from Mountain Warehouse. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the pieces that I picked up and how I plan to use them on my hijabi adventures. Remember, it's very important to be comfortable, to stay covered, and still be able to enjoy the nature. Happy adventuring, my loves! Assalamu alaikum.